So if I am creating any application where I want to expose API, I also have to create all these actions. Now let's talk about little more about OutSystems. Building API in OutSystem is so quick that no other language or tool will give you this feature. So want to, if I say that, can you please build the API which will give you nicknames, all the names in .NET, you have to write all the code, everything. Okay, and then click on OK, and then it will execute. In our system, just have to think about the logic. Via which logic I can give the names. That's it. You need to think about that only. Other than that, all the codings are done in the backend automatically. And why industry? I mean, many people have not heard about this term of system. I will tell you tomorrow you will go to someone has not heard about this term. That is the biggest problem. That is the biggest gap. Today, the market and supply not equal. Demand is high, and supply is the right time. After 5, 10 years, you might have something like Java, .NET. They all are good, but demand supply is equal. React JS, Angular JS. I remember in 2013, 14, the demand supply of React JS and Angular JS was also same. There was a lot of demand, but supply was less. But today, it is matched. It took around for 10 years. So this is perfectly right time to start with our system. One more thing for the viewers also, that there is no prerequisite to the system. There is no prerequisite. You just have to have a logical mind. That's it. Because why I'm saying this, it's not needed to be an engineer. It's not needed to know .NET. It's not needed that you should know C or C++. Nothing. Why? Because you are not doing the code actually. You're actually dragging, dropping your logic, what you are thinking. Okay, so you need not to learn that. And actually, we can learn this too. Now, explaining this, I remember there were a few questions asked. People used to say that, why should I learn our system? Why not .NET? Because .NET is a core technology. You might also thinking that, why don't I learn the technology? When the tool might expire, but language will not expire. That learning that language will give you knowledge. Learning that object-oriented programming might give you knowledge. No, it's not like this. I'll tell you why. It's all about, let's say, you need to build a mobile app. Okay. So the final target is building mobile app. That's it. Okay. The process of building mobile app could be different. If you use .NET, you will use different process where you have to think about the logic, think about the code and build it. In OutSystems, you need not to think about the code. You just have to think about the logic. Now your effort is half. Now if effort is half, your efficiency will increase. Right? You are just thinking about the logic. Now here your efficiency increased. Otherwise, you have to think about how to write the class. You have to think about how to have the inheritance, polymorphism, and everything, right? Here, no need to do this. Just have to write the code. Just need not to think about the brackets, need not to think about anything. Just drag, drop, and everything done. Let's come back to the API part. This is clear, right? We can have multiple parameters also. These are called parameters. So multiple parameters, right? And multiple parameters based on the original. Mhm. Okay. These are input parameters, query parameters. Yeah. Okay. Uh, this is the biggest benefit of API. Now let's talk about a type of API which is get API. Might have heard about this term. Get API and post API. Let's try to understand this. A common notion is in order to get the data, we use API. In order to post the data, post API. But that is not the case. I'll tell you the actual case. It is a college where people knows that Ravi is interested. You know what is get and post is other than this, what I said. Get post, getting data is get, posting data is post. To create to the server, we use both methods. Okay. I'll tell you the difference, actual difference. Okay. I tell you the actual difference. That is a broader difference, but I'll tell you the actual difference between them. Uh, let's say if this is the place from where you are getting the API, this is the place where you get the API. So this API, we have API, and this person is consuming it. Now, when let's say I want list of all the users. Yeah, chalo leave it. I have given the name of the person. He will give me the phone number of that person. Okay. So according to us, it is a GET request, and it is sending some data to the consumer. So it is a request. So how it will be catered and some data from here to here. So I want to pass others. Then only you can give the phone number. So when you pass data from here to here, let me repeat. When I pass data from here to here, how to do that? I told you like this. Write down the name of the API, question mark in the name of the person. Okay. So this is how we are sending. This means we are sending URL, right? We are sending data via URL. Whenever we are sending data via URL, in that case, it is called GET request. But second scenario is, let's say I want to pass password from here to here. If I pass that password from here to here, it will be visible in the URL. And in the URL, anyone can see that password. Anyone can hack it. So this means I cannot pass any private data from here to here, right? But I want to login page. In the login page, I clicked on login button. On the login button, a request goes to the Azure. Azure will give me whether they will tell me the value. Here we have login page. Understand? Here we have login page. Where we have written username and password. Okay.